Yeah, good afternoon. My name is Benga Paul. I'm a data analyst and automation expert. Today, I'll be showing us how to use ChatGPT inside Excel. Yeah, there's a way you can use ChatGPT inside Excel. But we'll be using manual way of fixing this and using ChatGPT AI and doing the same tasks. So we'll be using manual workings and AI ChatGPT inside our Excel sheet, AI in Excel. But firstly, we are given this data set that consists just email, and we are asked to extract the name, the domain, the first name, and last name from this email. So we are going to use a feature called text to column. Text to column is a feature in Excel that allows you to separate one column into several columns, right? Using a delimiter or a separator such as heart, hyphen, comma, like that. Now, for example, now we have this email inside B column. So we have to separate the name from the domain and to extract the first name and second name. So what I'm going to do, the first step is to align this. I will align this. I'll go to data at the ribbon. I'll pick text to column, right? So delimiter. So characters such as comma or tab separate each field. So this one is what we separate the names from the domain. So I will click star. Next. So delimiter. The screen lets you set the delimiter that your data contain. You can see how your text is affected in the preview below. So this is it. So if I click on order now, what is separating our text? If you look at this, it is art. Separating the names from the domain, it is art. So I'll put art here. You can see there's a separation, right? So I'll click next. So once I click next, I will pick a destination where I want this to sit. So I want it here. Destination where you want the separated column to stay. So I'll click finish. Okay. Now we have it here now. Now how do we extract first name and last name? Same procedure. I will come here also. I will align this and go to text to column. Same procedure that we did for the first one. Yeah, what separate them is dot, right? You can see once I click that dot, there'll be a change here. Dot, you can see that's separate from the last name and the first name as separate from each other. So I'll click on next. You can see dot. So the first name and the last name has been separated from each other. So I'll click on next. Next destination. I'll wipe out this one and click on where I want it to sit. I'll click finish. Wow, you can see I have it correctly. Now, if I want to use Ex- ChatGPT inside Excel, Excel have a features whereby you can use ChatGPT inside it. So let's go. You go to add in, oh, add in, yeah. Then you go and add it because I've added mine. You can see. So I've done mine. Then I will type. I want to do the same task I executed here in this place. But I will do this by writing a prompt, just a sentence. I will say separate separate the domain domain names, last name and first name from the from column first name and last name from column B, from B11 to B17. So I'll press enter. Now let's see what will happen. Now it's reading the cell. So let's see. One after the other. You can see. You see? So that's the full name. Now the domain name. You can see I'm not doing anything. Remove running column E. So E is not running. You can see. Done. Column E is done. Now last name. Column F is being run. Ah, awesome. So that's it. Very simple. So you can try it. I will attach this file at the description part so you can follow too. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Have a good day.